London when you're, when you're a little bit older? Do you think you use it as a mode of transport? It's definitely a quick way to get places, isn't it?
Do you cycle much, Teresa?
Yeah, quite a bit actually. Since I've got a job in government, I'm cycling between the Department for Transport and Parliament.
On your own bike, not the Brompton?
On my own bike.
And what we want to see is thousands of Londoners enjoying riding one of these bikes. And really, it will be a moment, it will be a momentous moment in the life of London, because London will change forever that day with the Barclays Cycle Hire scheme arriving and the cleanest, greenest form of public transport being available to millions of Londoners and people who visit London.
Like in the